AmberScript Audio Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think transcription is slow and expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when AmberScript handles your audio. AmberScript is a transcription and subtitling platform that converts audio and video into text using artificial intelligence and human editors. It is widely used by journalists, universities, and content creators. The surprising truth is that AmberScript can produce subtitles and transcripts in minutes using AI, or higher accuracy versions reviewed by humans. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI transcripts are perfect. In reality, technical terms and accents may need human correction. AmberScript supports multiple languages and export formats, making it useful for international creators. AmberScript is best for podcasters, educators, and video producers. The surprising truth is that your content becomes more valuable when it is accessible. Subscribe for more honest content creation tool reviews that save you time.